Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing very good. So today I'm going to talk about top 7 in-demand jobs in the year 2022. So before getting into the topic, kindly do subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications for the next upcoming interesting videos. And as a matter of fact, I do Telugu videos as well. So if you are from Telugu states, creep into my playlist and play some interesting Telugu videos. So coming straight to the topic. So we're going to talk about in-demand jobs in the year 2022, and these jobs are going to be there for the next coming decades as well. Number 7 goes to DevOps engineers. So these DevOps engineers, so their job responsibilities include in deployment and releasing of codes, and they have this basic understanding of coding as well as engineering. And they're also responsible for high production and low production environment. So basically, these guys make sure that the deployment is done properly and is going up to the standards. And their average salary is 6 lakhs per annum. And number 6 goes to cloud developers. Cloud technology, if you consider cloud technology from the past decade, it's been absolutely growing at very rapid pace. And the demand for cloud developers is also growing at the same exact rate. So what exactly these cloud developers do? So their job responsibilities include developing the cloud applications, and they also make sure to implement new strategies, analyze the data, and how they can really improve the cloud technology for the coming years. And their average pay is about 9 lakhs per annum. And we go to the fifth position. This job is going to be there for a lot of time because the technology is growing and there are a lot of bad guys that are also growing. So there must be good guys to protect the bad guys to enter into this new fast growing technology and destroy the technology. So these good guys must protect from risks and all the stuff. So you might have got an idea into your mind. So yes, cyber security engineer. So number fifth position goes to cyber security engineer. So these guys are responsible for protecting the IT infrastructure from all kind of risks, vulnerabilities, threats, and whatever you want to say. Yes, they're the guys who actually protect the IT infrastructure. And their average salary is 7 lakhs per annum. And coming to number fourth, this is absolutely a very cool job, and it has a very good work-life balance. Among these top 7, this is my most favorite job because I do this job. So it's about UX designers, so user experience designers. This is a number 4 in-demand job in the year 2022, and it's very good job, and it's very neat, clean, creative job. What actually these UX designers do? UX designer involve in designing, they involve in understanding information architecture, they involve in research, and they involve in branding as well. So these UX designers, from these guys actually the project kickstarts, and they give all those cool stuff, and then it gets into the development stage. So UX designers is the number 4 skill, and their average pay is 9 lakhs per annum. And coming to number 3, number 3 is blockchain engineer. So blockchain technology is growing, and of course the demand for blockchain engineers is also increasing. So what actually these guys do, they implement some strategies. So they work with the data, they work with the blockchain technology. So they mainly focus on developing the blockchain technology and analyzing data and all those stuff. The average salary for blockchain engineer is 4.5 lakhs per annum. And coming to number 2, number 2 goes to data analysts. So data analysts use some tools to analyze the data, to analyze patterns and all those stuff, and they give that data, they give an insight to the stakeholders to make decisions. So this is about data analysts, and the average salary of data analysts is 4.2 lakhs per annum. And coming to number 1, it's really a very cool job, and definitely most of the tech guys love to do this job. It's data scientist. So data scientist is the number 1 job. It's trending, it's always been there, but with the different names. But data scientist is absolutely a very creative job. These guys, they work with algorithms, they work with scientific problems, they work with structured data and unstructured data, and they develop tools. They do all this programming stuff, and they make sure that they get that patterns of data, and they play with the data as well. So data scientist is the number 1 job, which is most demanded job in the year 2022, and their average salary is 10.5 lakhs per annum. Let us just have a quick recap of these top 7 in-demand jobs in the year 2022. Number 7 goes to DevOps engineer. Number 6 goes to cloud developer. Number 5 goes to cybersecurity engineer. Number 4 goes to UX designer. And number 3 goes to blockchain engineer. Number 2, data analyst. And number 1, data scientist. And let me tell you something. These are not high paying jobs. I cannot say these are the high paying jobs. These are the most demanded jobs. High paying jobs, maybe there might be some jobs among these 7 which are high paying, but these are the in demand jobs. So if you want to switch your career, or if you are not satisfied with the domain you are working in, you can try to switch your careers and try some new things and work on that stuff as well. So if you are a fresher, if you want to explore some technology, if you want to get into new technologies, or if you are passionate about these technologies, what I've said, you can just get into that. And there are a lot of people who work in these jobs, and they really get paid well. So it really depends on your attitude towards the technology, towards the organization, and how you actually work with the technology and how you apply into your domain. But the common thing you have in these 7 jobs is one thing, that is programming. So whatever your stream is, just focus on learning basics of programming and solve problems. So it mainly depends on solving real-time problems and solving logical problems as well. So kindly focus on that, and if you really want to explore new technologies, um, give a go. And that's it for today. So guys, if you feel this interesting, if you feel this helpful or useful, like, share, and definitely subscribe for further upcoming interesting videos. So until then, see you, take care, bye bye.